Hello friends! It's mukbang time. So, we are gonna try this Fanta melon flavor soda. Ito, hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero it says it's pea crackers, sausage flavor, this potato snacks. It looks so cute! And last but not the least, this tomato flavored chips. So, buksan na natin. First that I want to try is this one. Mukha siyang pasta. Yung ganyan. Medyo matabang. So if mahilig ka sa maalat na chips, this isn't for you. Akala ko maalat siya kasi nakalagay sausage yun. Pero lasang healthy. If that makes sense. Yung parang healthy siya na chips. Okay. Next. Baka mas healthy to kasi tomato yung flavor. Uy, ang cute naman ito. Bilog-bilog siya. I gotta say, yung mga chips nila, parang siyang lasang Pino, yung hindi siya OA sa lasa, ganun. Hindi ko ma-explain. But it's not that salty. Pero, salty enough siya na parang maano naman yung craving mo for salt. Let's try this one. This one's so cute. Okay. This is cute. Mukhang French fries talaga. Made in Taiwan. Okay, so sa kanilang tatlo. And this one's the sausage pea snack. This one is the tomato flavored, I don't know kung ano siya. And this one is like just a potato chips lang. My favorite would be this one. I don't know, parang siya yung pinakamaalat. And ang cute nung bilog. Next would be this one. Yeah. So parang it's a toss between these two. Kasi ito, parang wala siyang lasa for me. Okay. For the final taste test, I love melon and I love soda. Tikman natin. Ay, ang sarap. Whew. Anyway, I like it. Bibiling ko to ulit. Yun lang. Bye guys!